Guys, welcome back to another Cool Nelson HD video. It's Cool Nelson HD here. Today we're tasting Monster Energy with zero sugar, Lewis Hamilton flavour. So yeah, that's it. Number 44 got his helmet, signature 7, his battery pack. Got 500 millilitres in. Yeah, they've got another one of Lando Norris, F1 driver, and Formula 1 F1 driver Lewis Hamilton. So yeah, let's get into it. Got to crack it open. Smell test. It's a 10 out of 10. It says a quote on here: Lewis, every day we strive to give our best performance, but we need to do this. To do this, we need the right fuel. I know important. This is when preparing for tackle each champion season. Yeah. You can pause the video if you want to read that there. From Lewis Hamilton. So yeah. That is the good. That is 10 out of 10 for monsters. So yeah. I don't know how to describe the flavour, but it is very, very, very good. Best flavour I had of Monster in a long time. So yeah, very good flavour. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time for another video. Bye!